Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Helena. Okay, so here's what we're doing. We're cooking some shrimp and some zucchini noodles. Stay tuned for how this comes out. So I am cooking lemon garlic shrimp and zucchini noodles. So what I did so far was I put olive oil on the pan and I patted the water out of the noodles. I definitely have too many on here, but we're gonna see how this goes. This is only my second time making it. And as for the shrimp, they are almost done. I'm about to put some lemon juice on them. Some capers, you can see the capers right there, and a little bit of butter. And then I have like some other lemons, some real lemons that I'm going to put on it, as well as the garlic, which is right there. But yeah, this is done. That was the shrimp. I put garlic in it, and these are the, I think they're done. I think they're done. So this is now the end result, and I put some red pepper flakes on it as well, and I'm gonna go enjoy it. All right, here's me tasting it. I actually like it much better with this sauce than tomato sauce. Really good. Try this on your own. Bye. Remember, keep chasing your sunshine. Bye.